Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia. If you're new, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and try to watch my other videos. Leave a comment, show your girl some love. If you're not new, well, thanks for stopping by again. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review. I'm gonna be talking about this hair that I have braided on my head, where I got it, how much I got it for, what I think about the hair and stuff like that. So if you want to know, like if you want to get the tea on this hair, then please keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I got the hair on a store on Amazon called, I don't know if it's pronounced SILIKE or SILIKE, I don't know how it's pronounced. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys a clip. It came 5 in a pack or 5 in a box, and it came with some accessories. Each box came with some accessories and everything. I'm gonna put a couple of clips before I braided the hair so that you guys can see what it looked like straight out of the box and the accessories and everything that came out with the hair. The hair came in a box like this. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys the hair. My friend's gonna braid the hair for me, so when she does that, I'll come back on here and show you guys what it looks like braided, and I'll tell you guys what I think about it. So let's go ahead and open it. So right out of the box, this is what it looks like. The name of the company is, I don't know if it's SILIKE or SILIKE, I don't know how it's pronounced, but that's what it looks like. And it's a green and black ombre hair, and in each pack comes 5 bundles. They look like this. So you have a black, you have a dark green, and then you have a mint green at the tips of the hair. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out of the pack just so you guys can see it better. That's what it looks like. I'm about to get my hair done. I'm so excited because I haven't braided my hair in like a year and a half, but that's what it looks like. So I took out all the hair from the package, and they have some gifts in there. They have a card. I don't know what this is about. I think it's like a coupon or something. And then they have these hair decoration thingies. I don't know what they're called, but they're just like hair accessories, I guess. So there you go. They have like the silver and gold, and they're 4 in each bag. So that's 8 for 5 packs, which is not too bad. So I'm gonna come back on here when my hair is braided, and I will tell you guys what I think about the hair. And I'm gonna tell you guys what my friend says about the hair, because she's a professional hairdresser and she's probably gonna have an opinion on the hair. So I'll come back and I'll let you guys know. See you soon. Now, so each box of hair cost, I think, $19.03. So let's just say $20 approximately. And it came with like 5 packs of hair. And I got this hair, my friend Kelly Braid. She's on YouTube as well. You can check out her channel. I'm gonna leave her link in the description box. She got the hair braided for me. I love it. It's so beautiful. Let me stand so you guys can see. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I really love how the hair came out. She braided the hair for me. So in total, I got 3 boxes, which will mean 15 packs. And at the end of the day, this is exactly what I was left with. At the end of the day, I was left with exactly 1 pack of hair. So the hair starts black at the top, and then it fades to this beautiful dark green, and then it fades to like a mint green. I'm gonna take down my hairband so you guys can see exactly. So there, that's what the hair looks like. And I'm gonna tell you guys like the pros and the cons of the hair in my opinion, and I'm gonna tell you guys the stuff my friend said was good and bad. I'm gonna be reading from my phone because she texted it to me. Okay, so for the pros of the hair, the first thing she said was that the hair is very light, which I agree, because this is like 14 packs on my head, and it doesn't feel too heavy or anything. Like it really doesn't feel too heavy. So yeah, the hair is lightweight and the hair is affordable. So comparing to like the beauty supply store, it's like almost about the same weight, and for an online store. And I got the hair on Amazon Prime, so it was shipped like within 2 days. I ordered the hair on a Tuesday and I got it on a Friday. So yeah, and if you have Amazon Prime, you don't have to pay for shipping, so that's a good thing. And then also she said well, the color is beautiful. Like it's true to color. Like what you see online, what you see, the pictures you see on the website or like on Amazon is the same as what you get. So it's like there's no like color differential or anything. I'm gonna post a picture from Amazon just so that you guys can see what it is, and then I'm gonna post a picture of what I look like with the hair so that you guys can see like that it's true to color. And then for the cons, she said the hair was really slippery, making it hard to braid. I can't really explain what that means because I don't braid hair, so I don't really know, but she said it was slippery, but the hair still turned out fine. So you know, if you have a good person who's like braiding your hair, then you should be fine. And then the hair tangles a lot. I noticed that too, like before, like when she was like separating the hair to like braid, to do the separate braid, it tangled a lot. So if you don't have enough hair, then you might run out, because if it tangles and you can't like fix it, then you're gonna have to throw some of it away. And then also the texture is kind of rough, so the braids are not really like fine. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, you see like all the little flyaways, and the braids are like a little bit rough around the ends. That's because of the texture of the hair. So that's another thing that she complained about. So like it wasn't smooth, but other than that, she said the hair was okay. So now in my opinion, I spent approximately $60 to get like the 15 packs of hair, and like I told you guys earlier, I used 14. I think the hair is really pretty, and you can use less. My hair is really short, so I had to use a lot of hair because she couldn't like grab a lot of hair to braid at the time, so I'm obliged to use like a lot of hair. But the hair, I think you can definitely use less if you have long hair and you're trying to get braids. But in my opinion, I really like this hair because for the price is very friendly, and you get what you pay for. Like what you see online, like this is like one of my greatest problems shopping online, is buying stuff and then getting something else. But the colors that are shown in the pictures are exactly what you get, you know. So yeah, it's not the advertisement is not deceitful. The hair is affordable, the hair is lightweight, and the hair is really pretty. I can tell you that. Like I've been putting myself in this hair so much. The hair is really pretty. So if you guys want to use some of this hair, oh, and before I forget, I remember they have a whole bunch of other colors, like still ombre hairs. They have a whole bunch of other colors. So if you want to get you some, go right ahead and get some. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. And this video is not sponsored in any way. I just came across the hair, I liked it, and I decided to purchase it. And when it came, I decided to do a review so that if other people were trying to find like ombre hair to get, then you can just go to this store and pick whatever colors you want, and you know, just trying to make it easy for you guys. So thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to share this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.